Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, welcome to all of you in another new video. So today we are going to see how you can add scrolling progress bar to your website. So guys, you can see how the scroll bar is working on scrolling. So now to make this, first open your editor. Then guys, you can see that I have already written some basic code of HTML and styling with the help of CSS. So now the web page is looking something like this. Now scroll on doing scroll progress bar is not working. So let's start making.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping.
So guys, you can see scroll progress bar is working. So friends, see you in another new video. Till then, bye. Friends, in this video we aim for 50 likes. I hope you guys will complete it.